dalhin sa childcare so that he would have some friends to play with.
Hi guys, good morning! It's Friday and welcome to our vlog. It's already August 23rd. Time flies at it's been a while na hindi kami nakapag-vlog kasi may pinagkabisihan ang inyong ate last week. And anyway, today is my day off. So Yejun and Mommy, where are we going, sweetheart?
Mighty Jungle.
Yes, we are going to Mighty Jungle. Sorry guys, nagalawang camera kasi wala pa tayong panghawak. Kamay-kamay muna. Tapos nasira ang aming guys, ang aming washing machine. So we have to go to the laundromat. Pero hindi kami makakasama ni Yejun, si Chris tapos yung kanyang mom. They are going to the laundromat to do the laundry. Do you know what is the laundromat, Jun? It's where you bring clothes to wash, to get cleaned. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is CAT?
CAT.
Is?
Cat.
That's right. Perfect. That's Yejun's homework for today, guys. So, nasagot na niya. Magaling na siya mag-spelling. Good job daw. Anyway, we're almost there. Nandito na kami guys, tas na Mighty Jungle. Ang daming sasakyan. I'm pretty sure ang daming bata ngayon kasi maulan talaga ngayon. Walang mapuntahan ang mga batuta. So they're gonna drop us here. Baba muna kami guys.
Long time ago.
So guys, nasa kaligitnaan na kami ng paglalaro ni Yejun. Mukhang nauubos na ang aking energy. Look at this little boy. Andito kami sa taas and we keep sliding. Tapos naghahabulan kami. Oh, nakapag-exercise na ako agad guys. Magsaslide na naman. Nag-slide na si Yejun. And he's climbing. Come here. Up. Climb. Oh, where are you? Nasaan na si Yejun? Yejun song. I'm here. Do you wanna go to the volcano again? Oh my gosh. Maganda dito guys kasi maraming mga nagagawa ang mga bata. Meron pang malalaki, meron pang yung babies talaga. So it's really nice for them. Tapos si Yejun kasi wala siyang kalaro, mag-isa lang siya sa bahay. So he needs to meet friends or meet other kids as well. Dati kasi hindi pa siya nakakaakyat dyan kasi takot pa siya. But these days siguro feeling niya big boy na siya. So yes, kaya-kaya na niyang mag-akyat-akyat dyan. Actually guys, Yejun was asking me some coins but I didn't have any. So yeah, anyway, he can just smash them. Basta, Jun! Where are you? Come here. You said you want to slide with Mom. Okay, ready? Get set? Go! Go! Oh my God! Actually, kanina pa kami nakauwi ni Yejun. Hapon na ako ay lalayas. Mag-meet kami ng aking mga friends. Mga mommy sila. We are all Pinay moms. Tapos minsan lang kami makapag-meet ng gabi for dinner. So, we're going out today. Kaya nakabihis sa inyong ate.
And this little boy didn't sleep. Tapos may bangas siya guys dito. Oh. Tinama yan kanina dun sa play center. And this boy didn't sleep today. Right? So explain ko guys kung bakit busy ako last week. I-register ko kasi si Yejun sa childcare. Pero may mga process pa siya. Para sa akin na first time mom, tapos dito sa Australia, kailangan ko munang i-search yung mga process kasi hindi pa nga kami eligible para sa, para sa childcare subsidy. So, akala ko kapag pumunta ng childcare center, and if you tell them na wala ka pang childcare subsidy, you can just easily enroll. Pero hindi pala, you need to have CRN, which is the customer reference number. Ako, tapos yung asawa ko, tapos si Yejun. So anyway, na-sort out na namin yan. Nagpunta ako ng Centrelink kasi malapit lang ang Centrelink dito. Nasa labas lang ng shopping center na pinag-workan ko din. I went there. Tapos, tinry nila na i-link yung aking Centrelink sa MyGov para ano ko nga si Yejun, para ma-process yung sa childcare claim. Pero ang problema guys, yung name ko, nung nag-start kasi ako gumawa ng MyGov, I was using my single name, yung hindi pa married. Kasi yung pagdating ko kasi dito, yung gamit kong passport, hindi pa married ang nakalagay na name. Tapos, nung nag-enroll ako sa Centrelink, yung passport ko kasi, yung identification ko is married na. So, hindi mag-match yung name, kaya walang magawa. So, they told me to contact ATO para i-change ko yung name ko. Tapos, nung pag-contact ko sa ATO, sabi nila sa akin is, I have to send my marriage certificate by post. Tapos, yun nga, sinend ko, but it would take 28 days daw to process. So, pero kailangan na talaga namin itong dalhin sa childcare so that he would have some friends to play with. So, ngayon, si Chris, yung asawa ko, yung pina-process ko, which is naging okay naman. He finally submitted the childcare application. So, waiting na lang kami sa result. Ang nakalagay naman dun is 28 days din daw kami. We need to wait for like 28 days. Akala ko 3 to 5 days lang. Ang tagal pala, guys. So, ayun. Ang dami kasi mga finifill upan na form. Hindi ko siya magawa ng 1 day. Kasi, pareho kami ni Chris na may work. Tapos yung gamit kong account niya. So, every time I open his MyGov, kailangan mag-send nila ng code na hindi naman yan nakikita yung phone niya when he's working. So, ayun. Inabot talaga, guys, ng 1 week sa kakaayos. Right, John? So, anyway, yun nga guys, hoping for the best. Ang hirap talaga kapag first time ka na mom, and then you want to send your kid to school. Pero I'm sure na nadaanan din naman yan lahat ng mga mommies out there, first time mommies. Yan. So, anyway, just like that. Hindi naman siya talaga mahirap. It's just a little bit complicated. Gawa ng, kung hindi lang talaga nagkaroon ng issue sa aking name, di okay na sana. But anyway, it's fine. So, how are you everyone? Ang tagal kong hindi nakapag, vlog, hindi ko kayo nakausap ng matagal. So, if you are a mom, tapos first time mo din, tapos nandito ka sa Australia, ano po yung mga experiences nyo? So, pwede po kayo mag-comment below and then let me know, or if you can help me as well to give me some more information, why not? Thank you so much, guys. Alis na ako, guys, kasi yung friend ko nasa labas na pala. Bye-bye!
So, nandito na kami guys. Nandito kami sa Victoria Park. Uy, kita pala yung likod ko dyan.